In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gumroad support. If you're having trouble with payments, product downloads, your dashboard, or anything else on Gumroad, reaching out to their support team is the best way to get personalized help. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you know what to click, what to type, and how to give them the information they need to solve your issue quickly. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign into your account. Once you're in, you should see your usual dashboard with your products, sales, or account overview. This is the starting point for accessing support from inside your account. Next, look for the Help option. This is usually located in the navigation area, either in a menu at the side or at the top of the page, depending on the current layout. Click on Help. This will take you to Gumroad's Help section, where you can find articles as well as a way to contact the support team directly. On the Help page, look for a button or link that says New Ticket. Go ahead and click on New Ticket. This opens the form you'll use to send a message to Gumroad support. Think of a ticket as an official request for assistance that the support team can track and reply to. At the top of the form, you'll see a field for the subject of your query. Type in a short, clear summary of your problem here, such as checkout not working or customer can't download product. Keep it brief but specific so the support team can quickly understand what your message is about. Below the subject line, there's a larger text box where you can describe your issue in detail. This is where you should explain what's going wrong, when it started, and what you've already tried. Include things like which product is affected, which device or browser you're using, and any error messages you've seen. The more precise you are, the easier it will be for support to help you. If you have any screenshots or files that show the problem, click on Attach Files. Select the relevant images or documents from your computer or device. Visual examples are extremely helpful, especially for things like error messages or layout issues. Once you've filled in the subject, written your detailed message, and attached any helpful files, review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. When you're ready, click on Send Message. Your ticket will be submitted to Gumroad support, and you should receive an email response soon at the address associated with your account.